bottled water, 2 of them. Put foil over the top, put it in the oven. Put it underneath the broil for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check it out here in a second. Okay, still al dente, meaning it's not soft, but I wanted to make sure that we put it under broil with the hot water. It did that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the water, put in tomato sauce, and let it go longer with some garlic and some other herbs in there. You're not going to have a garlic press or anything like that, so what you're going to do is just place the garlic in there like that, and then the foil over the top, and it'll bake in all the good flavors, okay? Okay, so now just pretend like you raided one of those empty stores where nobody's at anymore because it's the end of the days or whatever. I grabbed some marinara or pasta sauce or whatever. I'm going to pour that in and then bake. I'm going to spread that around. Throw some cheese in there if you have it, or salt, pepper, whatever you have. Chicken, steak, deer meat, bear meat, it doesn't matter. But this is the start of something good, okay? Cheers. Okay, so I stirred everything in. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Okay. And then put foil over the top. And this is going to be delicious, trust me. Water that you found at the store you looted when everything went to crap. Or just for fun. Either way, camping, whatever. But you get the idea. Alright, now it's time to add all the good stuff, the cheese and the meat. Okay, so now I've added the cheese. You just see kind of like a dusting over the top there. And I'll put it back underneath the broiler. And then once it's done, I'll add in the chicken and the steak, which are already cooked. Foil back on. We're going to put it back up to broil. Or if you're camping, just throw it over the fire.